Hi parents, today we will learn how to introduce cvcvc words to our children. So, firstly, you have to know exactly what word consists of this structure. Okay, we have donut and robot. Okay parents, let's practice. There are many ways to teach our children. So the simplest way is teach them to pronounce first. Donut, robot. So parents, you have to know this each letter have its own pronunciation, its own phonic sounds. Okay? So parents, let's practice together. T, T, O, O, N, N, U, U, T, T, donut. Next, we have robots. R sounds R, R. O sound O, O. B sound B, B. O sound O, O. And this sound T, T. Robots. Parents, are clear? Next, you can use another words, and I suggest you use simplest word and the words they able to visualize the image of it. Also, don't forget to give them a reward after do these thoughts. Okay parents, see you again.